Korea is very famous for its wonky combinations of ingredients on pizza. We were actually even on Bloomberg and we did like a segment on it. Go check it out. I think the Korean potato pizza is really good. I've been eating it. It's my favorite combination. I think it's my favorite pizza in Korea overall. And I've been ordering this since the last 10 years I've been here. Today we're gonna make pizza on some bread, on a thick slice of milk bread. Why? Because I'm always craving pizza around 8 or 9 and I can't be bothered to make dough from scratch, spend 30, 45 minutes. By that time, it's 10 o'clock and I feel guilty I should be sleeping. First step, we want to turn our potatoes into wedges. Try to use small potatoes, that way when you cut it, the wedges are not too long and it fits. Give the outside a nice wash and a little scrub. We want to get the skin on. We'll cut this in half. All right guys, and then we'll cut it once more at the sides. And we have ourselves my favorite topping on pizza. Then before we put them on the pizza, we want to cook them about halfway through. So you can either boil them halfway through, or today I'm going to just use the microwave, it's faster. Then just a little bit of water on the bottom, say about 2 tablespoons. Plastic wrap around it, put this in the microwave, and then we'll give it around 2 minutes. All right, 2 minutes is done. Let me grab this. It's hot. I'm going to poke one of them and see if the fork goes through easily. That's good already. That's good, because we're going to do a little bit more cooking. Grab all the potatoes, but don't pour in this water. Potatoes are going to be the star of the show, so we're going to give them just a little bit of more flavor. Let's put about a tablespoon of butter, a touch of salt, some dried parsley if you like. And then we'll just toss these guys in that butter. Coat these babies. All right, potatoes ready. Then we're going to slice up an onion. Let's just use about a half. Cut the onions very thin. Little bit of olive oil, and I want these onions to lose their harshness. We're going to cook them down until they start to turn slightly soft. We want to season every ingredient. Give me a touch of salt, a touch of black pepper. Keep stirring them around. We want a little bit of caramelization, and this is where I like it, right there. All right, then what goes good with onions and potatoes? Some bacon, yes. 3 strips. We'll cut this down. You can pre-cook the bacon if you like it a little bit more crispy. I don't mind. Now, I was a hater at first, but adding sweet corn to pizza, I've started to dig it. I think this is after over a decade of living in Korea and getting used to it, but I believe in it now. You don't want the liquid because we want less moisture. Got a fresh loaf of milk bread. I keep saying milk bread, but of course, you can use any bread you like. That's going to be our beautiful pizza dough for today. You like the crust? Nice and easy. We're going to get any pasta sauce, put it down, get it to the edges. We're going to get some of our onions, just a sparing amount like that. All right. Then a sprinkle of sweet corn. Yes. Then a good amount of our mozzarella. Definitely want to get it to the edges. Then I'm going to use some cheddar cheese because I want some of that yellow action. Just little pockets of it. All right. And then to that, of course, our bacon on top. Top it all off. We're going to add our potato. This is the highlight. Oh, man. Take a look at that. And then very important, we need some mayonnaise. Yes. Nice line like they do at Mr. Pizza. Or like Pizza Albolo. And then a little tap of dried parsley. Neighbors, there it is. That's the before.
Oh my gosh!
I told you I'm making pizza today.
Do you think our viewers will like this?
Yeah. Hey, potato pizza. I'm sure there's been people who visited Korea and ordered Korean pizza. It's bomb diggity, right? You guys let me know. Or am I living in my own bubble?
My brother always orders potato pizza.
It's his favorite, right?
Only orders that.
He got so happy that I sent him that potato pizza coupon for his birthday. Or the gift.
He was genuinely so thankful that you read his mind.
Katie, do you like the other types of pizza, the ones with the crazy ingredients?
Yeah, I like the seafood party. With shrimp.
What's
and
on the seafood party?
octopus and steak, and it's a mixed mash of everything.
Oh my gosh.
The more toppings, the better it is for
That
me.
I think that's the Korean philosophy. It's not about simplicity and staying authentic. It's about modernizing until there's no space in the pan. All right, that's the before, and wait till you see the after. Put it either in an air fryer or in a traditional oven. Let's put our babies in. Let's go 175 for around 10 minutes. Probably be similar, but not exactly the same. Just keep your eye on it. All right, guys, that's it. Lift it up.
It kind of reminds me of the
Croquet monsieur.
그렇게 monsieur.
Wow, there it is, my friends. Woohoo! That's what we call our potato pizza. Guys, if you're Korean, we need a little bit of the spicy. Ooh.
너무 많은데?
Ooh. Very nice. Delicious Korean potato pizza. For you.
For me.
Oh my gosh.
And the edges are like crispy.
Wait, but why are we chopping this in half? Each take a piece.
Bye bye. Oh, look at the cheese. Oh.
How is it?
It's delicious. This is like perfect afternoon snack.
Try the potato.
I know I'm gonna like it.
아, 이거 잘 먹네. Oh man. Alright, let me get into this.
You didn't eat your jalapeno. Delicious, right?
너무 맛있다. That mayo works really well, and the sweet corn also works beautifully. There's a reason why it's included in the toppings, my friends. Koreans like their food. They like it tasty. Don't eat this too much, not too good for your health, but once in a while, for your mental health, you splurge.
현영, don't you know the saying? 맛있는 거 먹으면 살이 안 찐다. You don't gain weight when you eat delicious things.